Hey y'all, it's Crystal here from ChristaCoDesign. Today we're making this mini flower and I'm using a 4mm US size G4 crochet hook and Dishy cotton yarn. It's a number 4 medium worsted weight yarn and this shade is Creme Brulee. You'll need about 15 yards of yarn for each flower you want to make. Okay, we're going to start with a magic circle, or you can chain 3 and slip stitch to the first chain and then work into that circle. In the magic circle, place 2 half double crochets and a slip stitch. Now we're going to repeat that 2 more times. 2 half double crochets in the circle and a slip stitch. One more repeat of 2 half double crochets and a slip stitch. We'll have 9 stitches here. I'm going to pull my magic circle closed. And then I'm going to join by slip stitching to the first half double crochet I made. Now this slip stitch doesn't count as a stitch, it's just for joining. There we are. That's our first round. For round 2, we'll start with a chain 1, which doesn't count as a stitch. And then in the first stitch here, we're going to place 2 half double crochets and a slip stitch. Now in the next stitch there, we're going to place 2 half double crochets. And in the third stitch, we're going to place a slip stitch. Now we're going to repeat all of that around. So in the next stitch, 2 half double crochets and a slip stitch. Then 2 half double crochets in the next stitch. And a slip stitch in the following. And then repeat that again, 2 half double crochets and a slip stitch in the next. And then 2 half double crochets in the following. And a slip stitch in the last. Again, we'll slip stitch to the first half double crochet we made to join our flower around. There you are. And we're just going to pull up a long loop and cut our yarn. If you're going to be sewing this flower down, you can leave a long tail so that you have enough yarn to sew it down onto headband, hat, scarves, any way you want to use it.